Hello friends, welcome to this new course on human behavior. Now this is my third course on MOOCs, and what we are going to do in this course is study human behavior. Now when you hear about psychology, what is it that you want to know about psychology? What does psychology do? And so most people, when somebody introduces himself to you as psychologist, you become all acted up and you want to know what psychology is all about. You think that psychologists can study human beings, they can study what humans do and can predict what humans do. So this course in psychology is actually going to take you into a journey in understanding human behavior. What is behavior? Behavior is any act that we do. So what this course is going to do is give you tools of measurement, tools of methods for studying human behavior or for understanding human behavior. I will give you an interesting example. Suppose at a store there is a lady. This store is full of people and somebody comes for help to this lady. This lady gives some money to this person. What do you think about this lady? You think this person is empathetic, this person is altruistic, this person is a very helpful person. Now let us say at some other point you see the same lady, somebody who genuinely wants some help comes to this person, but this is a different situation where this lady is in a park and nobody is watching her, and this person comes to this lady and she does not give the money to this person who is actually needy. Now why does this lady in one situation give money and thus other situation does not give money? Has altruism, the act of helping others, been the cause for helping in this lady? Then in both the situations this lady should have helped, but in one situation it did and one situation she did not. Friends, this is what we are going to study in this course. We are going to study how human beings react in different situations. One important thing that human beings are always wanting is control. How good it would be to control other people. How good it would be if you have powers for controlling other people. If you can control your girlfriend, if you can control your friend, if you can control your mother, father, if you can control your sister, brother, can control their thoughts, you can make them act the way they are. But alas, we can't do that. We have to bear. So what we do is we predict how they are going to behave, and based on this prediction we actually do certain acts. So if your girlfriend is coming near you and she is looking at her face, you find you are angry, you will be talking all sweet, but then if she is laughing and coming towards you, you can act the way you want to. So this particular knowledge of how to read people and then decide your response in relation to that is what is the study of human behavior and the study of psychology. And what we will do in this course is we will study things like that. We will study why people are altruistic in certain situations. We will study things like misattributions and over justification effects. We will study things like how people perceive, how people see things. So the same, you have heard about illusions. Why is it that some people see illusions and some people cannot see illusions? We will see the reason behind it. Why is it that we have two eyes? And what is the need of two eyes? If you can cover one eye, you can actually see distance. But when you see something which is near you, you require two eyes. What is being angry? What is being sad? How do you remember things? What is personality? Why are some people sad, sarcastic? Why are some people narcissistic and other people are not? How to change somebody's personality, or how to make somebody do certain things in certain way? What is learning? How do you learn? So in a restaurant when you are there, how do you decide which fork to use and which knife to use? How do you learn those things and how do you apply those things in future? These subject matter is what we are going to do in this course of human behavior. We are going to take a journey and study how humans behave and what is the way of predicting this behavior. And I am pretty sure that if you take this course, after studying this course, what you are going to do or what you are going to learn will actually help you in predicting people's behavior. And with that prediction, your responses towards them, your behaviors towards them, or your interaction towards them, which will be much more beneficial or will be much more fruitful. So welcome friends, let us start this journey. In the next coming 8 weeks, we will take our journey into the course of human behavior, starting with introducing the course to going into subject matters of psychology like perception, thinking, problem solving, and learning, personality, and so on and so forth, and we will end the course by looking at social influences and social factors on psychology. So, welcome to the course.